Okay, so I'm just going to show you how it looks like once I am wearing them all. Isn't that gorgeous? Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For this video, it will be totally a different video. Why? Because I am actually going to be unboxing a local brand. So this is a Belgian brand. It's a jewelry brand. Everything is handmade, and the owner of this brand is a Belgian entrepreneur, Belgian female entrepreneur, and her name is Caroline, and she creates rings as well as necklaces, earrings, and bracelets as well, handmade like I've mentioned. And she also uses the material gold filled for some of the jewelries. And this brand has been created in 2020 and the name is TANGO CHARLY. If you're interested to have a look what she's offering and also details about her brand, you can go check out the website. I'm going to put the link in the description down below so you can check it out. I'm going to unbox the item, show you which one I got, but just to let you know, I have already purchased an item from her, not online. It's when she was present in some conventions and everything, so I have been able to check it out first, so I know my size as well. So I tried one, I purchased it out there, and then afterwards, a few months later, I have purchased this one. So just to show you, it arrived in this box, so I'm just going to open it. So this is a live unboxing and it just arrived today in Belgium. I ordered it on a Saturday and we're Wednesday right now, so it took, I think, yeah, without counting the weekend, 2.5 business days for it to arrive. So let me open this first. Whoa! So that's how it looks like. Have a thank you note where I have a discount code, and then it is like that. So that is her brand, TANGO CHARLY. So let's open it. I have actually ordered, oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Ooh, look. I have received a gift. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. So, yeah. Quick info, she's currently offering free bracelets if you ordered an amount of more than 70 euros. So if you're interested, go check out her website and maybe you'll be able to have a free bracelet. And that is also handmade. Wow, those are precious stones. Nice. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So that is how her packaging looks like. So I ordered something classic one without, because you can also order in a box. So the box is free, and then if you want you can also order pouches, but it's additional price. And like for me, I didn't want any pouches, so yeah, so just like that. And I have ordered, let me show you, bracelets. Here they are. So I have ordered this bracelet. She calls it the 50 shades of gold. Isn't that nice? Why 50 shades? It's because, oops, sorry, my hair. Why 50 shades? Because there are 50 golden beads, and then I have opted for 2 times I don't know if you'll be able to see, twice this bracelet hammered version, and then 1 simple version. And I have opted for the size for this one, this 3, I have opted for the size extra small because my wrist is around 14-15 centimeters. So I know that this is the right size for me. And that's why when I went to her, when she was in a local convention where I have purchased my first bracelet, I have tried, and that's why I know also that this is the right size for me. And just going to show you how the details of the bracelet is. Look how nice is that one. And then and what's good about her jewelries is that they are waterproof and they are nickel free. Even though you say you're allergic, normally there's no problem with it. And that is the reason why I have purchased this one, the 50 shades of gold, because as you can see in here, I am already wearing one, and this is the one that I have purchased at the shop when, like I've mentioned, when she was on a convention. And this one I have purchased online, because this one I am actually going to be offering this for my mom as a birthday gift, and so that we can be twinnies. And that's why I can indeed confirm that her jewelries are waterproof, because ever since, I think this one I have been wearing it since February, so quite a few months now. And as you can see, it is still intact since I have put it. And I also, when I put it, I have put it, as you can see, so that it won't be long, I double attached it. And I have been wearing this for, like I've mentioned, ever since I've purchased it. So I already showered it, bathed it, everything, and nothing's changed. And what I like about this, so first and foremost, I have purchased the 50 shades of gold because this reminded me of the Tiffany & Co bracelet. But the Tiffany & Co bracelet, the price tag is quite expensive, and this one, if I'm not mistaken, is 49 euros. So yeah, I think it goes well with my Adrien bracelet from Atelier Paulin, which is a French based jeweler. So yeah, there you go. And then at the same time, I've tried it and I was happy with it, so that's why I have purchased one for my mom. And then for everything to, you know, goes well, I have purchased this 3, so it will be, you know, a good stack. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how it looks like once I am wearing them all. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's like that under, so yeah, I'm happy. There you have it. That was it. So like I mentioned, it was a quick unboxing. I wanted to share this so that I can also, in a certain way, promote this Belgian brand. I think she can send it internationally. If that's the case, well then, good thing. If you're interested, you can also contact her on her Instagram account. This is not a paid video. I'm just, you know, very happy with her product. That's why I am sharing it. And I think that she does a really great job. So there you have it. So I hope that this video has entertained you guys and you have liked it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put the questions in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them if I can. And also, if you have liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, as it really helps the algorithms of my channel. And for those of you who are enjoying the content of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, feel free to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. So until then, I hope to see you soon and take care. Bye. Thank you.